So here is SmartHQ app. So how to install it? So just tap Get and double click to install this app. And there it is. Download SmartHQ today and unlock a world of connected convenience in your home. Your connected home command center effortlessly control your smart appliances from G Appliances, Profile, Cafe, Monogram, Fisher, and Baker. So all in one app. So remote control, voice integration, stay informed, personalized experience, monitor energy and water usage, enhance cooking experience, convenient product registration. So yep, just that's the idea, like how to connect all these Internet of Things devices, and then you just sign in, and then sign in with SmartHQ password, or otherwise you can sign up here. And select country. So as you can see, it's mostly available in Europe and US and some countries of Latin America. So try it out.